All right, guys, we're at the Cultus Lake Adventure Park. We're at the Giggle Ridge mini putt. We're at hole number 4. Mom's won 1, I've won 1, and we've tied 1. So I guess we're even right now, right?
Like that.
All right, hole number 4. Mom's gonna go first, but let's take a look at the hole. It looks straightforward. Oh, I can feel some. Ooh, it's wobbly. It's wobbly. All right, guys, I'll leave you here, right at the hole. All right, go ahead, Mom. Oh, there she goes. She's taking the scenic route. All right, scenic. I'll try to keep my ball. Do it. All right, hold on. There we go. Oh no! Oh no! It's fine. Okay, am I away?
I think so.
Okay.
Not by much.
We're doing the club rules, right?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, 1 club, 10 to lane. Okay. Here we go. Right in for a 2 shot. Right in. Here we go. Oh no! Oh, that was so whippy. All right, pop it in for a 3 shot. Go in. Oh.
Good try.
Oh, can't be going in there. Distraction. Distraction. Oh, she did it again. She's winning. Oh, stay tuned for hole 5. Maybe I can come back. He's up 1. Oh, I thought I saw a bird go by.